Mintbird Best Shopping Cart Software. Hi, it's Daryl back again with another video to talk about a funnel builder called Mintbird. However, I have a quick question for you. What's the #1 shopping cart platform for marketers? Now, someone asked me that recently, and this is what I concluded. I would want a platform that allows me to do the following: set up products instantly without a lot of technical obstacles, nothing that is really complicated. I would want to have upsells and downsells, advanced funnel logic that would trigger depending on what your customer did. For example, did they opt in? Did the person buy a product? Did the customer buy your expensive $5,000 product and you got instant notification? All dependent on what actions your customers take. All of those functions that I just mentioned have been done with a product called Mintbird. Now, in just a moment, I'll show you a short video demonstrating this Mintbird Best Shopping Cart software and how you can get 3 free bonuses just for signing up to be notified when this software launches in just a few weeks. Just click the link in the description of this video to access your free Mintbird bonuses. Once again, to access your free Mintbird bonuses, just click the link below.